pengumpulan spike menuki dari Megawati yang membuat pertahanan lawan hancur.
Dig by Day. Front pass over to Day. Her first big swing of this one from the left side. Block, kept alive. Patted up by No and swung down by Mega for her first point. Now and off the block of Bayuna. A dipping serve after it gets over the net. And then Mega finds the floor. Great back set and a great swing. Hole any timeouts unless there is a high pass run. It has to come sooner than later. Mega, does it get touched? It does. 22. Red Sparks taking over after the 16th point. The message out of that, still we lose points to the opponent. Move quickly. And quickly they've moved. Red Sparks with the point. Mega with the kill through the block for blockers. No, with a really nice dig that turns the attack. Overpass off the swing from Bukalik. Now on the near side from Lee. Day gets a bite at it. Great rally as Bay sends that one through the block. Kept alive, and Mega through the block gets the point. A big one too, as Red Sparks now down by just one. Mega to serve. Donica. A little bit quieter in this set. A lot more through Bukalik. But here is Donica. Dumps it over. Nice dive by Mega to keep it going. Sent over by Gia Day. Now it's up to Bukalik through the middle. Blocked nicely by Red Sparks. And Mega gets the point. Red Sparks back in front. Is this back from the break? Mega with the serve finds the line on the ace. Incredible from Mega.
Ku menahan rasa sakit. Rasa sakit.
And now they're doing it a little bit earlier in set 2, but keeping it going. Aww. 8 straight points. Make it 9 now. I mean, Mega. Things we can say about how incredibly gifted she is. Look at this swing from the middle of the court. For high pass. Mega gets the kill. Mia in with the serve. Off the net, comes down. This time from Mega, it's in. 9-9. Mega. Mega gets the kill, and Red Sparks get to 16. right.